Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by aligning your profile with the exact Google Office role you want. Read the job description and map your experience to required skills. Once done, update your resume and LinkedIn to highlight metrics and 1-2 impact statements per role. Then assemble a concise portfolio or GitHub repo showing 3-5 relevant projects with clear README. Make sure to set location and visa preferences correctly and prepare a short professional headline that matches recruiter search terms. Next, proactively reach out to recruiters and colleagues for referrals while submitting targeted applications on Google Careers. Prioritize 2-3 roles you can explain clearly. Once applications are live, craft short role-specific notes, emphasizing accomplishments that match the opening. Make sure to set up 15-30-minute informational chats with insiders. During those calls, present a 30-60-second intro and 3-star stories tailored to Google's competencies. By doing both referral outreach and tailored submissions, you increase interview odds. Finally, prepare for the interview loop by timing mock interviews, polishing system design and role-specific exercises, and practicing behavioral answers that show impact and collaboration. Once you receive an offer, evaluate total compensation, benefits, relocation, and growth path. Negotiate with clear targets and trade-offs. If you don't get an offer, ask for concise feedback, update your resume and portfolio based on gaps, and reapply after 3 to 6 months. As a troubleshooting tip, when stalled, secure a direct referrer to reset your pipeline.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.